na ako. Kaya hindi ka mo nakikita dyan. Hello, Insan! Gayon, Insan. Hello, Mr. Dong Lucky. Hello to you. Big shout out. Ayan, Insan. Kumusta? Nasa Bicol ka pa? Nasa Bicol ka pa, Insan. Nahiling ko baga may pigkasal ka. Ayan. Si Dong Lucky is all the way from Germany. Ayan. Manaymi may Cecilia. Ayan. So, nakauli na kagabi. Okay. Maray man ta nakauli ka mong safe. Ayan. Thank you for the love of thumbs up. Now we're going to create a mood here and make the live stream glow. Yes. Thank you, Mr. Dom. Mr. Dom Lucky. Attend lang kasal kung kang tugang kung tunungan daw bitin insan. Kaya nga ni iyo baga dapat pag mauli duman so anto sawa ano. Sa summer insan dapat para dakol na ano. Mr. Adrian Rodarte, Yahoo! Yahoo! Mr. Adrian Rodarte, hello to you. Ayan, so we are now, ilan na tayo sa bahay? 2 million. We have my cousin, Cecilia Mimaitan is already a monetized channel, guys. So don't skip the ads, okay? We will have fun here again, yes. Ayan, okay naman po yung WH ko, Insan. Nasa 1.3 na ako. Siguro ngayong gabi. Hindi ko pa chinek. Kagabi kasi nasa 289. So hopefully 1.3 na ako ngayon. Ayan. Iyo dapat kung mag-uli sawa-sawa wala din bumalik anditong store natin. Kaya nga di ba? Ako din minsan 1 week bitin pa rin. Ayan, 5 million viewers. Okay? Big shout out to my 5 million viewers. Ayan, Mr. Dom Lucky, you can also be friend with my cousin. That's Cecilia Mimaitan is my cousin. You can visit her channel also. Tapos long drive ha, makulog sa lubot. Kaya nga, ika ang nag-drive, Insan. Or dapat salitan ka mo. Nag-shortcut sa nakuta ka mo. Ay, marami na ba, dakol na bagang shortcut duman pa Bicol. Ayan. So, iyo, makulog sa lubot talaga ang biyahe pa Bicol, Insan. Ayan, banana from Mr. Dom Lucky. Bako man ako nag-drive si Agom iyo. Salitan ko ta na kamo. Pero kayang-kaya. Basta ang sasakyan di man masyado yung alog. Dakula man ang sasakyan nito, di ba? Adventure ba yun? Star X, ayan. Haba, batag. Ata iyo nga ni, uragan makakabatag-batag manan. Sige sa nang batag. Ayan. So, Mr. Dom Lucky, how are you today, my friend? Where is Miss Roslyn Hulero? Did Miss Roslyn Hulero is doing her live stream tonight? Mr. Adrian Rodarte, how are you, my friend? Okay, Mr. Adrian Rodarte is still also in the house. So, may I see your channel, Mr. Adrian Rodarte? Oh, wow. Getting nearer for your road to grade 3. Hindi Suzuki Ertiga car, Insan. Ay, wow, Suzuki. Ang ganda naman. Mabakal kita. Mamuni sana kita buda masambayan pa manalo kita sa luto mo. Bakal kita bagong car insan. Pangharabas. Sudor na ko lang gulong. Dom Lucky, ha ha ha. Ayan. I'm all your friends. I hope you're all fine. Ayan, talaga naman. So, ano, iyo insan mabakal kita bago na kutsi. Kaya nga iyo, di ba? So pang saot sa tuya man. Bako so pang agom. So sa tuya talaga ay masisain sa ng mga rabas. Ano? Gretchen Baran, hello to you, Cici. Ayan, Gretchen Baran is in the house, guys. So if you are not yet connected to Miss Gretchen Baran, kindly be connected. Okay, guys? So, wait lang ha. I-reply ko lang. Tagsaro kitang duwa kaya tayo na nga ni insan. Tapermin man sana kitang convoy, ano? Ayan. Tagsaro kitang sasakyan. Hello, Miss Gretchen. How are you today? Miss Gretchen Baran. Ayan. So, Miss Gretchen Baran is in grade 4. Ayan. 80 na lang. Pwede ka na. Okay, Miss Gretchen Baran, if you are not yet connected to my cousin, Manay Cecilia Mimaitan, kindly visit her house. She is already monetized channel, so don't skip the ads, guys. Ayan, so maski so ads na sana, ayan mga ads, wag natin escape kasi sintabo lang yan. Okay. Ano to? Ayan. Okay, so big shout out to everyone. Ni-reply ko lang yung sister ko, saglit lang. Okay. So big shout out to my 5 million viewers. Okay. Uyan insan, sige, arangay kita bataga ha. Si Dongla kay batag da. At iyo nga ni. Sige sanaan. Sagkod na matapos o LS ko. Puro batag andra ara na baunong pati. Ayan. From Miss Gretchen Barandom Lucky, check my house if you're already connected. I'm connected in me because I already did you just pay me back. Okay, so Miss Gretchen Baran, I will tell Miss Roslyn Holero so that Miss Roslyn Holero will do the sukli to you from Dom Lucky. Ayan, si Miss Roslyn Holero na lang ang magsukli sa'yo. Papasok yun dito ngayon for sure, okay? So, that's it. Ayan, Dom Lucky, Gretchen Baran, banana. Okay, so Mr. Dom Lucky, according to Miss Gretchen Baran, you have to pay her back again. Okay, she already did visit your house, so you can also visit Miss Gretchen Baran. Okay, Mr. Dom Lucky, batag daaha paslo sa batag. Warag na naman si Maray Bibay. At ayun na nga ni ukay na gayudan. I'll give you banana, Dom Lucky. Ayan. From Insan Cecilia Mimaitan. Okay. I'm already connected to Gretchen. Yes, thank you so much, Mr. Adrian Rodarte. You too, Mr. Dom Lucky. You have also to be connected to those who are been connected to your channel. Diba? So that you can be connected forever. Okay. Sige nga ni agad batag. Sige nga ni agad batag at iyo. Oh, wow. We're now 6 million in the house. Thank you so much. Mr. Dome Lucky, I am there and you can all laugh. That is good thing. I have subscribed to all of you. I hope you are all well. Ayan. Sige man sana dahil nagtaram na i-subscribe dahil man. Ayan. So, I will remove your message because there's a word that is not allowed in the whitey world, Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay? Okay, Mr. Adrian Rodarte, hello, long lost friend from from Manay Cecilia Mimaitan. Okay, so Mr. Adrian Rodarte, hello, from Cecilia Mimaitan. Bahal ka dyan. Gretchen Barandong, lucky I got it. Thank you. Oh wow, she knows how to return the banana. Okay, banana, banana, banana. Is there any kind of fruits in there, Mr. Dom Lucky? Not only banana, we need some oranges, grapes. Si Manay Cecilia, ayan na naman, batag na naman. Iyon na nga ni. Orani, pero manay sakay-sakayan mo sa nainita, nagpapalupad-lupad mo ba is mga dolyare sa mga na live stream na tawag din sa mga nagla-live stream na monetize na. Binapalupad baga ini hababao na sana 50 ang 50 na dolyares. Kaya ayan. So let's be friend to Mr. Dom Lucky. You can all laugh, at least that's a good thing. Yes, we keep on laughing. Mr. Dom Lucky. Ayan. So, you tell Miss Rosin Holero, Mr. Dom Lucky, that I am on the live stream right now. Mr. Adrian Rodarte, Cecilia, hi my friend. How are you been, Yahoo? Ayan. Mr. Adrian Rodarte, my cousin, Cecilia Mimaitan has been have a vacation in Bicol to attend her brother or her sister's wedding. Ayan. So that's why we cannot say my cousin Cecilia Mimaitan for how many days, okay? So here it comes. Our cousin brother. Okay, brother. Wedding of her brother. Okay? So my cousin Cecilia Mimaitan went to Bicol to attend her brother's wedding. Okay? So that's why we cannot see for how many few days? Been few days that we haven't heard from my cousin Cecilia Mimaitan. Ayan, mga banyaga ang bisita mo insan. Ayos, dugo-dugan irong tagit. Igwa pang hapon, may duwa pang hapon na bago na naglaod digdi. Ayan, so si Ada Wanda, si Susumi, yan, na magpalupad baga, why I cannot make you a super chat? Sabi ko, no, you don't have to do the super chat right now. I'm not yet monetized. Okay, Mr. Dome Lucky. Ilintia insan, nagdurugo ang dungo ko. From Dom Lucky, I thank you and you are good looking too. Yes, thank you. I have done my hair. Yes. Okay, thank you, Mr. Dom. From Sisi Gara Dishes with Love. Hello, Sisi. Tamsak na Sisi. Yes, thank you so much, Sisi Gara Dishes with Love. Okay, so we are now ilan na tayo? 6 million in the house. So thank you so much. Ayan. From cousin Cecilia Mimaitan at Gara Dishes with Love. Hello. Ayan. So Miss Gretchen Baran, if you are not yet connected to Gara Dishes with Love, you can also be connected to her. Okay? So big shout out to everyone. Big shout out to my cousin Cecilia Mimaitan, Cici Gara Dishes with Love, Mr. Dom Lucky. Big shout out to you and to my ever dearest friend, Mr. Adrian Rodarte, all the way from Texas, USA. Hello, 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 my friend. Thank you so much for having you here on my live stream tonight. Also, a big shout out to Miss Gretchen Baran. Hello to you, Miss Gretchen. Are you still there? Okay. Dom Lucky, I thank you all. You are my best friend. Yes, we are also you're my best friend. If you need a friend. Di ko na ano mang kadugtog. Diba? Yung one friend. natugtog, di ba? Yung kanta na yun, maganda yun, di ba? If you need a friend. Ayan, ang mga batag nagkaluwas na. Hali sa uma. Ang mga batag na hirinugon, Rielo. Ayan. So, shout out, shout out. Sisi Gara Dishes with Love. Ilan ka na, Sisi? Ayan. Wow, 467 ka na, Sisi. Kunti na lang. Kunting-kunti na lang. Makakalahati mo din ang banana. Go, 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 go. Ayan. Go lang tayo ng go. We can make it through. Okay? So, that's it. Ayan, mini-message ko ang sister ko. Ayan. So, thank you so much, Insan. Cecilia Mimaytan, mag-live stream ka kahit 1 hour, 1 hour, 2 hours. Ayan, pagpadami para sa iyong ads. Ayan, maka-view man lang ng ads, di ba? Okay, guys. Just wait a minute. I'll get my charger. Charge ko muna yung phone ko, malulubat. Saglit lang, ha? Tignan mo ang bilbil ko. Feeling mo. Batag, batag, batag. Ay. I-charge ko lang, saglit lang. Okay, Mr. John, give your husband a nice greeting. Ayan. Ayan, this is my husband taking a rest, Mr. Dom Lucky. Han, from Mr. Dom Lucky. Greetings daw sa'yo. Have a nice greeting. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Dom Lucky, from my husband. Okay, so thank you so much, Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay. So, charge na ba? Okay. So, can you give me your thumbs up, guys? Thank you so much, Manay Cecilia Mimaytan. Ayan. Magro-live kita para makakuha kita si WH natin. Okay, WH. We need the WH. Okay. So, we are now, Cecilia Mimaytan, done na po. Paki-check na lang kung pumasok. Nag-iwan ako ng bakas. Ayan. Manay Cecilia Mimaytan, Miss Gretchen Baran is already done to your channels. Okay. Host, pa-play all po for my WH. Yes naman. Okay. Mag-help ako dyan, si Gretchen Baran, ha? Kasi, isa lang, wala kasi akong mga ninja na pwedeng i-play sa inyo na sabay-sabay. May mga tinatapos lang po ako na sinesupport ko. Then, nakalista naman po kayo para at least pag natapos ko ang iniisa-isa ko, ayan, di ba? Pag na-check ko na sila, yun, isunod-sunod na lang. Ayan. Pero it's okay kasi medyo maliit pa lang naman ang banana mo. But then, we can make it to play your videos. Ayan. Miss Gretchen Baran. Ayan. Sa, pa lang naman si Miss Gretchen is 421. So, we can also help your WH, CC. Gretchen Baran. Okay? Don't you worry. One of these days, I will play your videos. Okay? So, yan, tutuunan natin yan ng pansin. Basta wala akong lakad ng umaga, ipi-play ko yan sa desktop ng sabay-sabay. Ayan. Kaya lang pag weekdays, medyo busy tayo sa trabaho natin. Miss Gretchen Baran. Okay? But don't you worry. Okay? So we are now 4 million in the house. So kindly give me your thumbs up, guys. Mr. Dom Lucky, hello, hello, hello. Ayan. And Mr. Adrian Rodarte. Are you already a friend of Mr. Adrian Rodarte, Mr. Dom Lucky? Okay, Mr. Dom Lucky, you can also be connected to Mr. Adrian Rodarte. He is all the way from Texas, USA, and you are from Germany. Okay, so thank you, Miss Gretchen. Yes, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Tom. Okay, Mr. Tom Lucky. Ayan, so need to remove ko lang itong message ni Miss Gretchen kasi yan, they are not allowed during the live streaming. So we need to delete the message which is not allowed to the YouTube. Okay, guys. So we are now 4 million in the house. Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Dome, how are you today? Okay. So, Mr. Adrian Rodarte, are you still at work? So we are now 4 million in the house. Ayan, Miss Gretchen, thank you so much for coming to my live stream. So we are now 4 million. Sisi Gara, dishes with love. Thank you so much, Sisi. Okay, so who else? Okay. Tandiyan ko. Okay. Sino pa ang wala? Okay. So we are now 4 million. So that's it. You can link my YouTube channel with you, then everyone sees my channel. Oh, really? But I think it's not allowed, Mr. Dom Lucky, to the YouTube. We are not allowed to link your YouTube, but you can put your link here in the comment box so that everyone that you want to be your friend can click that link and it will go to your channel instantly, right? So you can put your YouTube link in the YouTube in the comment box. Yes, you have to put your link here, but you cannot put your channel's YouTube link on my channel, only in the comment box, Mr. Dom. Okay, so we are now 5 million in the house. Shout out to 5 million. Thank you so much. And show me your note that I see it. Note. Note? What kind of note? I said you can comment your link below so that everyone that will come to my live stream will click your link and it will be on your channel. You have to put your link. Okay? So we are not allowed to put your link on my own channel because it is a big foul to the YouTube creator. Okay, so big shout out to my 4 million viewers. Thank you so much. Ayan, Miss Gretchen Baran, thank you also. Ilan na kaya ang ko? Thank you guys. Okay. So, Sino pang wala? 4 million? 4 na milyon. Ngayon sida ano? Sisi Gara Dishes with Love has been doing her live stream also. Hindi ko nakita. Kailan ka? 2 days ago? Saturday, Sunday. Yeah. So, okay. Pupunta ako muna sa ano. Punta muna ako sa ang bagal ng tab na to. Okay. What happened to your dishes? It looks so crooked. What dishes? What dishes? What kind of dishes is that? Dishes is crack. What kind of dishes crack? What happened to your dishes? It looks so crook. What do you mean about the crook?
Bakit? Ang sabi niya?
Sabi niya, what happened to your dishes? It looks so crook.
Pangit.
Pangit?
O sira o ano.
Your dishes are crook and closet behind. I know, that's not open. It's only open. I opened the other window. It's a window glass. Yeah, it's not been broken. No, it's just like that, Mr. Okay. It's just like that. It looks like that. Maybe I need to clean this. I clean the data cabinet by the weekend, I think. So, general cleaning. You can see you have a lot of cutlery and we can have a big party with you soon. Yeah, that's all the shot glass. We have also the wine glass in there and the plate and saucer. Yes, you should. Pinansin niya yung ano ko. Marami daw ano. Shot glass and wine. That's the there. That's the shot glass. Then the other one has the wine glass there. This the plate and saucer. Yeah. Salad bowl. Ayan. Gretchen Baran, Gara Dishes with Love. Inunahan na po kita. Ayan. Sisi Gara. Inunahan ka na ni Gretchen Baran. Ayan. Basta magbakas ka lang, Sisi Gretchen Baran. Babalikan ka po ni Sisi Gara Dishes with Love. Ayan. So, legit friend ko yan si Sisi Gara Dishes with Love. No worries. Basta you have your bakas, mababalikan ka po. If you don't understand something, tell me and I'll try to explain it again. No, I understand already, Mr. Dom Lucky. I got you. I got you already, Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay. So, we are now 4 million in the house. A big shout out to everyone. Did Miss Roslyn Hulero do her live stream tonight, Mr. Dom Lucky? Huh? Have you been there to her live streaming? I thought she's gonna have to do the live stream. Oh, 5 million viewers. Shout out to everyone, to my 5 million thumbs up. Ayan, 5 million thumbs up and 5 million viewers. In case I still have a long way to go to 1,000 subscriber, but I thank you for this great help. Yes, we are not in a hurry, Mr. Dom Lucky. You can have some more bananas. If somebody is going to shout out you to this live stream, and they will say they are already done to your channel, and that it's your turn also to do the right thing for their channel, so that you can have more bananas. I also do live streaming gaming. Yes, I've been there to your live streaming gaming. I've been there I think last night, last night. Yeah. I see it. Okay, 4 million viewers. Thank you. And the 5 million thumbs up. Ayan, 5 milyong tumataginting. Thank you, guys. Thank you. And ano kang hair ko? Masaya lang ako sa hair ko. Ayan, AUM4 channel. Good evening, everyone. Good evening to you, AUM4 channel. Good evening to you. How's your day, my brother? So guys, if you are not yet connected to AUM4 channel, kindly be connected. Ayan, si bro. So, ay naka-hide kasi ang kanyang banana, kaya hindi natin alam. So guys, if Miss Gretchen, if you are not yet connected to AUM4 channel, kindly be connected also. Okay, so AUM4 channel, we have Mr. Dom Lucky all the way from Germany. We have also Mr. Adrian Rodarte all the way from Texas, USA. And we have one monetized channel in here right now. That's my cousin, Cecilia Mimay Tan. Okay? If you're going to visit those monetized channel, kindly don't skip the ads. Okay? Huwag kang mag-alala, maaari mo rin akong sagutin sa Pilipino na iintindihan kita. Okay, that's noted, Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay, so marunong siya mag-Tagalog, guys, si Mr. Dom Lucky, but we have to speak in English also because Mr. Adrian Rodarte cannot understand in Tagalog language, okay? So we need to speak English from time to time. So big shout out AUM4 channel. Hello to you. Okay, mag-isdaan na kayo, guys. Di kita na. I think I need coffee. Hindi ako nag-coffee. I need coffee. Okay, so isdaan na kayo dyan, guys. Ayan si Mr. Dom Lucky. Nakakaintindi din siya ng Tagalog. Dahil may nagtututor sa kanya on how to speak in Tagalog. Diba? Ang galing niya. He knows how to speak and write in Tagalog. Ayan. So, 4 million. We are now 4 million in the house. Big shout out to everyone. Ayan. Banana, banana, banana. From Mr. Dom Lucky. So, ayan. Relax at normal lang. Ayan. Mag-relax ka muna. Yan. Sabi ni Mr. Dom Lucky, relax lang. at normal lang. Ayan, maging normal. Normal tayo, di ba? Okay, so, sino ang naman nandito? 35 minutes, ayan. We can go live at least 2 hours today. We can make it. So, wait a minute. You're gonna have to get some coffee. You are the one. That's my mistake. Okay. Coffee, mate. Coffee. Here's one. Okay. Ayan, ang pakikipag-usap sa harap ng camera ay napakandiin mo kailang. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. You need to be real to everyone. You don't want to pretend. Just be who you are. Don't pretend. Am I right, Mr. Dom Lucky? Okay, so we are now 5 million in the house. Thank you. Big thanks to my 5 million viewers. Okay. 3. Kailangan mong buwan na isang live stream, hindi mo mapapansin na ito ay nasa pagkatapos ay makita ko. Okay. Okay. So, ayan si Mr. Dom Lucky. Pabayaan ka lang siya magsabi dyan. So, Mr. Dom Lucky, coffee. Let's have some coffee. So hot. Okay. So, 5 million and a 5 million love of Damsak. Thank you so much, guys. Ha? Wala nang inubos ko na. Okay, coffee, donuts. Ayan, masarap. I only have coffee. I don't have donuts. Ay, yes, I have the cake. Kainin mo na yan, Han. Kay masakit sa lalamunan. Ha? Ha? Coffee. Let's have some coffee, guys. Wow, 6 million love of thumbs up. Thank you so much. Ayan, may mga nag-thumbs-up sa akin. Lumabas naman kayo para makita ko kayo at ma-shoutout ko kayo. Maraming salamat. 5 million. Mr. Dom Lucky, ngayon alam ko kung ano ang bibilhin para sa iyo ng isang malaking donut kung saan maaari akong ngayon alam ko na kung ano ang bibilhin para sa iyo ng isang malaking donut kung saan maaari kang lumangoy. O yung donut na salbabida. Diba? It's used for swimming. Ano yun sa English? We have also the dinosaurs, donuts. What else? Like a turtle. Yeah. There's so many in this in the SM. So many. So summer is coming. So we go to swim. Swimming time. Swim, swim, swim. We need vitamin C. Maaari kang lumangoy kasama ang higanting donut. Oo naman, di ba? Hi, donut, donut, where are you? Swim with the carabao. You know that? You want to swim with the carabao? And the kokok? Okay, so we need to coffee. Ay, nainitan ang tiyan ko ng hulugan. Okay, guys, thank you so much. So we are now 5 million and 6 million love of Tamsak. Thank you, guys. Ayan. So, Mr. Adrian Rodarte, are you still there? Ang donut ay panatilihin kang malabo kung hindi ka maaring Ang donut ay panatilihin kang malabo kung hindi ka maaaring malabo. Malabo daw.
Ba't pinatranslate na yan sa ano?
Oo nga.
Para hindi rin.
Sa Google. If you doesn't know how to swim by your own, you need that donut so that you can swim, right?
So that you can float
So that you can float.
in the water.
If you can't swim, it's not bad. It's not bad. We will teach you. No, I just saying that if you, for example, you don't know, the person doesn't know how to swim, but she can use that donut in order to float in the water, right? I know how to swim, Mr. Dom Lucky. I also know how to swim. I know how to swim. Ay, nakikita ko dyan ko may ang bil-bil ko. Lak-lak na. Okay, 4 million viewers. Shout out. Ayan. Shout out to everyone. So, we have to stay at least 2 hours live stream. If you can't swim, bread. Well, if you can't swim, your husband can take the donut if he can't. Baka nang ganun donut.
Ha?
Sa'yo na lang daw ang donut. No, my husband also can swim also. We both know how to swim. Mr. Dom Lucky. He does. My husband, I told my husband, I said, Mr. Dom Lucky still said that you can get the donut. At least I make you all laugh. Okay. Bread, wash with the coffee, eat. Dip in the coffee. It's so yummy.
Sa kanila nilalagyan yan ng ano. Hindi sila kumakain ng kanin.
Sino ano? Ito?
Tinapos ko nila, nilalagyan na ng cheese, di ba?
Mm.
Sa atin, iba.
Ito nga, incendia may cheese. Okay.
Ginagawa nilang sandwich.
Mm-mm.
Yun ang pagkain nila. Sa atin na rin kami.
My husband, yeah, taking his dinner. Eat the dinner. But I also ate the bread. Okay. Then coffee. Later, I will eat the rice. Kaya may coffee ko. Para mahangin. Okay, mainit. Okay, good appetite. Let you taste it. Yes. Kuya Bim, hello to you. Guys, we have Kuya Bim in the house. Hello to you, Kuya Bim. I'm done with you, Dom Lucky. Okay, Mr. Dom Lucky. AUM4 channel is already done to your channel. So kindly visit also Mr. AUM4 channel, Mr. Dom. Kuya Bem, hello to you, bro.
Ako dito.
Yes, hon. Oh yes, kindly support Kuya Bem is only in grade 1, guys. Okay? Hello to you, Kuya Bem. Thank you so much for having you here on my live stream. Guys, those who are not yet connected to Mr. Kuya... Wait.
Tama yung ginawa ko.
Kuya Bem, ayan guys. Support Kuya Bem. Those who are not yet connected to Kuya Bem, kindly be connected to Kuya Bem. I will, thank you so much. Okay? So thank you so much everyone. AUM4 channel, bro. Ayan si Kuya Bem, paki-help naman. I-help natin si Kuya Bem. Beginners po siya. So we need to support those who are beginners. Okay? Okay? So beginners yan si Kuya Bem. Kindly support Kuya Bem, guys. Okay? Yes, host. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much, AUM4 channel. Thank you. Okay, so we are now 8 million in the house. Thank you so much for the 8 million viewers. Also, the 7 million love of Damsak. So, okay lang na nandito ka, Han? Diyan ka?
Sila.
Okay. So,
Hindi gagamit ko na nga.
kaya nga. Ay, dito. Muna ako kayo. Tuloy-tuloy ako. Okay, so, yes, host. Yes, boss, Dom Lucky. Thank you. Si Kuya Bem is in grade 1. So, we need the support for Kuya Bem. Okay, guys? So, support natin si Kuya Bem para din naman makausad ang kanyang kasagingan. Unahan mo na lang sila dyan, Kuya Bem. Nandyan din yung cousin ko, si Cecilia Mimaytan. Monetize ang channel niya. So, don't skip the ads po sa pupunta doon. I see you. Anong sabi niya? I see you have a lot of fun with your live stream and you smile sometimes. Yes, of course. I'm a happy person, Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay? Okay, so big shout out to AUM4 channel and Kuya Bem. Ayan. So, supportahan natin si Kuya Bem habang nagla-livestream siya. Manginain muna, no? Wala na masama. So we are now 6 in the house. Okay. Okay. Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay, thank you. Coffee. Wow, it's a big ice. Really a big ice. Watch ko lang si Kuya Bem. Yes, thank you, AUM 4 channel. Ayan, may jacket ka na, bro. Thank you so much. Ayan, support natin si Kuya Bem. Bago pa lang siya, kaya grade 1 siya eh. Okay, so Kuya Bem, if you are still here, kindly also dikit to Gara Dishes with Love. Yan, very legit. Doing her live stream also. Ayan, so para makabanana tayo. Are you still there, Mr. Kuya Bem? Sarap ng kape. Magkinapi-kapi. Ayan. So, thank you, guys. Ayan. Dom Lucky, banana, okay. Yes. Visit Kuya Bem, Mr. Dom Lucky. And also, Kuya Bem also visit Mr. Adrian Dudarte. He is from Texas, USA. Okay, guys. Mr. Dom Lucky, did you talk to Miss Roslyn? Miss Roslyn Hulero? From AUM4 channel, Kuya Bem, okay na. Ayan, Kuya Bem, it's your turn. So, ayan. Legit din po yan si Kuya Bem. Kagabi, inunahan ko siya. Inunahan ko. Tapos, mga nakatulog na akong gabi, madaling araw, binalik niya. Sinuklian niya ako. Kaya, no worries for Kuya Bem. She worked a lot today. She is resting. Okay. I thought she's gonna have her live stream tonight. Not yet? Not yet, Mr. Dom? So we are now 6 million. 6 million. Mr. Adrian Dudarte is in there. But I think Mr. Adrian Dudarte is sleeping. Because what time is it in the US right now? Kuya Bem at AUM for channel playing po, improve your English vocabulary. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you, Kuya Bem. Ayan, si Kuya Bem. Also, be connected also to Mr. Dom Lucky. But you can ask everyone where you put them on me. I'm here. Yes, also. Yes, I told them every day, everyone, you will have to visit your channel to Mr. Dom Lucky, guys. Ayan, so we need banana, sabi ni Mr. Dom Lucky. Also, be connected to Mr. Dom Lucky. Why are you 36 only, Mr. Dom Lucky? I thought Miss Roslyn helping you for your banana. Bread, coffee, bread. I call her. Maybe she will come here for the live stream. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Dom. Okay, so gonna have to wait, Miss Roslyn. Exclusive. So we are now 5 million in the house. Big shout out to my 5 million viewers. Yes, yo, hello. 7 million love of Damsak. Thank you so much. Yan, maraming salamat. Down. Paano kaya ito, Bing? So we are now 5 million in the house. So go fishing. Let's go, let's grow, and be positive, okay? Maging positibo lang tayo sa buhay. Pasasandag at maaabot natin ang mga kinakailangan nating abutin sa YouTube. Okay. Turururu. 6 million. Okay. Big shout out to Kuya Bem. Big shout out to you, bro. AUM4 channel. Mr. Adrian Rodarte, Mr. Dom Lucky. The big shout out to both of you. Also to Cici Gara Dashash with love. Big shout out to you, Cici. And to my cousin. Big shout out also to my cousin.
Off balance ito. Yung tripod mo.
Okay.
Dumalintang.
Okay. So we need some more. We need some more bananas. Okay. Dom Lucky, watermelon. Oranges. You should drink less, then not as many things fall over. Fall over daw.
Wala na yan. Boto na lang yan.
Wala nang balat na lang.
Balat na lang yan. Gawin ko na puno.
Okay. Okay, so a little bit of fun is always good. Yes, it is. So you gonna have fun. I read all your messages, long messages, and keep on smiling. Okay. So did Mr. Adrian still in the house? See the color of my hair. Golden. So 5 million, thank you so much sa 5 million. 5 million na nasa bahay ngayon. Maraming salamat. Ayan, maraming salamat sa 5 million. Here, I always have a lot of fun on your channel. It is always very nice here. Thank you, Mr. Dom. Thank you, Mr. Dom. You are the joker here on my channel. Once you are here, you keep on joking. That's why we laugh. We smile all throughout our live stream. Big shout out sa 5 milyon na nandyan. Maraming salamat. Mag-isdaan kayo. Mag-isdaan kayo dyan. Ayan, nandito lang si Hoss. Ayan. 'Di ba? Mag-iisdaan lang para naman tawag doon, madagdagan ang iyong mga banana. Ayan, from AUM 4 channel. Thanks, Kuya Bem. Ayan, maraming salamat daw, Kuya Bem. Mr. Dome Lucky, soon I will be with you. Then we will do a live stream together. That will be really nice. Yes, thank you, Mr. Dome Lucky. You can do your live. You can also do the live stream, and you can. I will invite you to be my co-host when I use my StreamYard. Yeah, I can invite a co-host when I'm once I use the StreamYard. But I'm direct to the YouTube. That's why I cannot invite a co-host. But if I switch on to StreamYard, I can. Okay. Kuya Bem, AU Match 4 channel, welcome. Ayan. I-jacket kita, Kuya Bem. Ayan. So, may jacket na si Kuya Bem. So, thank you so much, Kuya Bem. Ayan, bagong friend ko yan si Kuya Bem. Kumusta ang kasagingan natin? Diba? Ilang araw hindi tayo nag-live stream. Kaya nag-download tayo ng videos natin kasi kailangan yun. Live stream, download. Live stream, download. O, diba? So, Kuya Bem. Kuya Bem. Dome Lucky. Adrian Rodarte. Grace Barbaran. Okay, sino pa ang mga nandito? Ayan, so we are now 5. Thank you sa 5 milyon. Dara dishes with love. Okay. So we are now the 3 million viewers. Thank you so much, guys. Mr. Adrian Rodarte. Ayan. Thanks, Kuya Bem from AU Match 4 channel. Dom Lucky, banana. Ayan. Napuntahan nyo din si Mr. Dom. Ayan. Kaibiganan nyo si Mr. Dom, guys. Mabait siya. Tsaka si Mr. Adrian Rodarte also do the live streaming. Si Mr. Adrian Rodarte. Mag 2 hours lang ako. Tapos bukas naman. Okay. Ayan, mayroon naman nakamute. Ayan, gayon baya kang buhok mo insan o pina-Brazilian ko ba kanina man. Kay ang buhok ko baga nagkurulot na, may natural na pagkakulot ang buhok ko sa irarong pati. Sa unahan, unat siya, pero pag inarog mo kain ang buhok ko, may kulot. Tapos ang uban, ay sus, daghanon ang uban ko. Kaya bagan may highlights ako, kaya ang uban yun. Ayan, di ba? Bagay sa imo. Salamat. Salamat, Panay Mimay. Ayan. Pina-Brazilian ko siya kanina. Ayan, kay diri ako nagpapariban. Permi ako Brazilian para diri maraot ang buhok. Ayan, so Brazilian lang. Brazilian with color, tsaka treatment. Package na. Ayan, so 3 million, thank you. Naghalaba bagaw kay pagkulot, halipot hanggang din nilang na naunat siya. Mauna yun ho. Yan. Batog naman magpahalaba. Intero na nabuhok na style na sarihan ko. Nagpa-digital curl ako. Barber's cut. Kung ano-ano sana. Nagsawa na di magpahalaba naman niya. Nice and beautiful hair. Thank you, Miss Roslyn. Ayan si Miss Roslyn. Ako man ang uban ko, grabe naman. Kaya nga, magpakulay ka na lang arog sa din na kulay. Taan luwas gariman sana nagpa-highlights ka. Ayan, Miss Roslyn Hulero. Ayan si Miss Roslyn, ada na ni Manoy mo. Ni Manoy mo dong. Sige ba sa hingi ng banana. Hingi ng banana ang iyong brother na si Mr. Dom Lucky, Miss Roslyn. Ayan. Tawa kami ng tawa ng aking pinsan na si Manay Cecilia Mimaytan. Tas sige sa nang hingi ng saging. Ayan, Miss Roslyn Holero is in the house. Thank you so much, Sisi. Sisi Roslyn Holero, thank you so much to you. Ayan, sabi pati sa akin ay tamang-tama daw yung donut na salbabida. Kasi pag hindi daw ako marunong maglangoy daw ako with the donut. Ayan. From Manay Cecilia Mimaytan at Rosen Holero. Ayan. So, si Miss Roslyn, malapit-lapit na yata ito. Ilan ang WH mo, si Roslyn? Nag-live ka ba? Kararating ko, hinasigla po ngayon. Okay. Okay lang po ate. Ayan. So, 5 million. Ayan guys, thank you sa 5 million. Maraming salamat din sa 7 milyong thumbs up. Maraming salamat guys. Ayan. So, mangingisda ulit tayo ngayon pagkatapos natin ng live stream. Mangisda tayo. Magla-live ka ba, Manay Mimay? Insan, mag-live ka? Yain na si Latom garo na wara. Yaon dyan. Sige pa sanang comment ka dyan. Ayan Si Domlaki. Iyo 9 PM. Taod iyo. Sige. Sige. 2 hours lang ako nyan insan. Tapos mangisda ako. Mag-live ako 9 PM. Sige, maduman ako sa imo. Ayan, 2 hours na ako, tas mangisda ako. Para, tawag doon, makapangisda ba? Sige lang, mag-bandwidth ka, opo. Ako sa imo. Kasi 2 hours lang naman ako, matatapos ako ng, tamang-tama. Ma-start ka, abutan ta ka manay. Abutan ka duman. Maduman ako sa inyo. Miss Roslyn Olera, are still live? Naka-live ka ba ngayon? Sisi Roslyn. Punta ako Manila ngayon. Kunin ko laptop ko. Okay. Nasa biyahe ka? Si ate. Okay, wahaha. Ayan, sorry guys, wala ako signal, putol-putol ang dating sa akin. Okay. Okay. Okay lang, Sisi. No problem. Take your time. Ayan. Maraming salamat, Miss Roslyn. Ayan, nawala si Mr. Dom Lucky. Ayan. Sabi pati namin, ay marunong na siya magsukli. Miss Roslyn, nagsukli na siya kanina kay Kuya Bim. Ayan. So, 36 na si Dom Lucky. Ayan. So, we are now 7 million thumbs up. Ayan. And 3 million viewers. Thank you. Ayan. Mayroon pa tayong 40 minutos. Tapos unta sana ang 40 minutos. Ano? Arog sana kaan. Ang live ta. 2 oras. Pero pag wala akong lakaw, nakakapag-live ako sa hapon tapos sarman sa banggi. Maski pirasan ng oras, maka-live tapos sabay mag-download, no? Maka-download kitang videos na bago. So, 3 million viewers. Thank you. And, ano yan man? Si Ate Ems. Laki ng tiyan ko. Busugon ako. Upo na sa biyahe ako ngayon. Kainis nga kung kailan. Kaya nga. Okay, so ayan guys, puntahan natin ang live stream din ni Insan. Insan Mimay, Cecilia Mimaytan, mamaya. Puntahan natin yung kanyang live stream at 9 p.m. Pinas time. Ayan, lilipat tayo doon kay Insan. Kay Insan Mimaytan. Maraming salamat. Busugon ako. Tubig ang laman. Ayan. Nawala. Nag-agad ki batag. Iyo nawara. Sa ina daw. Iyo mananggad manay. Nawara. Sa ina daw. Kaurag. Napagal gayod ka kaagad kay batag. Tayo na sabi sa ako. Sabi sa kuya. Itara mo ngayon na magduman sa ko. Ta sige mo sana ngaya ang taram na magdumad ako sa ida. Sabi ko man, okay, sabi ko. Di sinabi ko naman magduman ka mo sa kay ano. Thank you sa thumbs up, Sisi Roslyn. Thank you. Maraming salamat for the love of thumbs up. Ayan, so magiging 8 na yan. 8 kay 7, so magiging 8. Thank you. Ayan, bay sana. Kay ata iyo na nga ni Insan, bayaan sana minapalupad-lupad an kay kunyan. Pero inano kaya ta niya? Dinalaw ka siguro. Dinalaw ka. Ayan. Shout out Ate Cecilia Mimaytan. Ayan, monetize na yan si pinsan ko. Si Cecilia Mimaytan. Ayan, si Mr. Rosing Horero. Friend niya yon, si Mr. Dom Lucky. Manay Cecilia Mimaytan. Friend siya ni Miss Roslyn Holero. Ayan. Makulit nga lang kasi pag nag-message, talaga kailangan mong basahin ang buo. Gusto niya yung tumatawa ka sa haba ng message niya. Ang batag. Ayun nga. kape. Ayan, so 2 million. Manay, Insan Cecilia Mimaitan. Sa March 21 yung March 21 yung opening nung Panagbinga Festival,
Wala
tapos
yung stop.
stop.
Kinansel lang. Kakansel lang kanina.
Cancel daw yung dahil sa ENCOB walang ang klase kanina, di ba? Walang klase kanina kasi dahil doon sa ENCOB 19. Ayan. So, kailangan daw laging nasa bahay. Sa bahay na lang. Mamakal na kitang dilata. Ayan. So, we are now 3 million and 7 million love of thumbs up. Ayan, Miss Rosin Herrero, thank you. So guys, kaibiganin na nga si Manay Cecilia Mimaitan at dalawin natin siya sa kanyang live stream. Live stream 9 p.m. Pinas time. Ayan, ilang araw na wala siya. Kaya hahataw yan ngayon. Insan, tabangan mo ako sa ko. Tabangin man daw ako sa WH ko. Ayan. Tabangin man sa WH ko. Sa diton pa sana. Ayan. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa inyong. So guys, we're gonna transfer Manay Cecilia Mimaitan at 9 p.m. Saktong-sakto. Yung 9 p.m. ni Insan. Tapos mag-aano tayo sa kanya. Lilipat tayo. Okay. Ilan ang nadagdag mo ngayon, Han? Nakita mo na. Maabutan kita ng
1,072.
Ikaw? Really? Ganyan pala yung pagbinus. Nasaan na ang iba dito? Wala na. Hindi na nga umimik. 4 milyon pa kayo dyan, si Roslyn. Nangingisda sila. Nandyan si Kuya Bem. Si Kuya Bem is, pa lang siya. Tawag doon, grade 1. Si Kuya Bem. May Kuya Bem dyan. Ayan. Pa lang siya. Grade 1 pa lang siya, sis. Kumusta ka na, sis? Pira na. Ay, tuwawa si Miss Roslyn. Miss Roslyn, ilan na yung mo? Ilan na yung WH mo? Magpatulong ako kay Insan. Loading ako, wala ako signal. Kaya nga, di ba, wala ang signal kanina. Kaya, okay lang ngayon na nakisama din naman ang internet. Kanina, medyo mahina, pero ngayon, okay na. Busy ka? Wow, 700 ka na. Piniplay mo yung sayo. Huwag mo kakalilimutan mag-clear watch history. Huwag kang makalimot na i-clear history mo, sisi. Ayan. So, ako, aywan ko kung ilan ngayon. Baka nasa 1-3 na ako ngayon. Sana. Ilan ka? 1,072? Yung husband ko daw nasa 172. 1,072 WH. Ayan. So, go tayo. Play. Ayan, ang gawin natin, mag-play tayo. Para naman na makadami-dami tayo, no? Dumami na yung natin. WH. Ayan. So, 3 million viewers. Nangingisda yung iba kasi hindi na nag-iimik. Nangisda muna sila, Miss Roslyn. Dito lang tayo hanggang tapusin ko lang yun. Mag 2 hours lang ako ngayon, sis. Tapos bukas naman. You are the one. We have 35 minutes. 35 minutes pa tayo. Thank you guys sa pag-support. Maraming salamat. Ayan. Mr. Dom Lucky is gone. Nagpahinga na siguro or magla-live. Paano kaya gawin yun Sis Roslyn? Paano kaya gawin yung naka-live yung mga kanta? Alam mo yung doon? Tapos, yung mga kanta na love songs, di ba? Pupunta doon sa mo. Tapos, live ka na. Hindi natin alam yun, no? Paano gawin yun? Okay, so we are now 4 million. Thank you. 4 million. 4 million, 4 million. We are now here and then. Midnight time. Shoo-da-da. So, 2 million viewers. Tapusin ko na lang to. Kagabi nga si Jakay, sabi niya sa akin, Sisi, yung viewers ko lang kahapon 2 hanggang matapos ako. Okay lang, sabi ko, ilan binigay sa'yo ni Lulok? Sabi niya, naka-4 na oras ako ang binigay niya sa akin ng 12 hours ako. Okay na. Ken Cuts. Live si Ken Cuts. Mamaya puntahan si Manay Cecilia Mimaitan alas 9. Tama-tama. We have 30 minutes more to go, guys. Ayan, before I end my live stream. BG lang host Yes, Kuya Bem. Okay lang, Kuya Bem. Dikitan mo si Manay Cecilia Mimaitan. Magla-live stream din siya, makakakuha ka doon ng ng mga isda din. Madami din naman sa kanya. Nagpupunta sa diyan kay kay pinsan. Cecilia may time. Puntahan natin. Alas 9 daw yung kanyang live stream. Tama-tama. Tapos ng live stream ko. Kasi 30 minutes pa ang... Kaya, we need, ano na lang tayo, 30 minutes more na lang. Minutes. Okay. Okay lang kahit busy. Hintayin ko lang na matapos yung oras natin guys. Para makapangisda tayo ng sabay-sabay. Hanap ng iba. Sabay-sabay. Nag-ano siya, mag-reconnect. Ganyan siya minsan. Two million viewers. Okay. Time. Okay. 2 million.
Yung ginawa namin.
Saan yun?
Just stream ang girl like this.
Saan yung lugar?
Nibibase.
Tapos na.
Hindi pa naglalagay yung transformer.
Hindi ko pa na-like yun eh. Mamaya na lang.
Finish nila.
Ha?
Hyundai Bagyo.
Sino nag-post?
Hyundai Bagyo.
Ayan, okay lang sis? Okay lang si Roslyn Olero, okay lang po. Take your time. Okay lang naman po, 20 minutes lang naman na. Matatapos na ako sis. Busy ka na lang dyan. Oo, kung loading, mahina talaga ang internet yata ngayon. Okay lang. Tapos, ayan, Kuya Bim Dan from Miss Roslyn Holero. Ayan, Kuya Bim, ikaw na po ang bahala kay Miss Roslyn Holero. Ayan. Beginners din po siya, Sis Roslyn, beginner pa si Kuya Bim. Ayan, naging kaibigan ko siya kagabi yata or nung isang gabi. Kaya, nangisda ako. Nangisda ba? Para makadami-dami tayo. Mangisda ng mangisda. Okay na yung ni Miss Roslyn Naka 700 na siya. Sige lang. Okay. Si Dong Lucky. Nawala nga. Nawala nga, tawa ng tawa si pinsan, si Manay Mimay Cecilia Tan, dahil nga puro saging yung niya. Tapos sabi niya, sabihin mo na pumunta sa akin kay maliit pa daw yung subscribers niya. Pumunta daw. Hindi daw yung sinasabi ko na siya ang pupunta sa kanila. Sabihin ko rin daw. Sabi ko, yes, sinabi ko naman na. Natakot siguro sa'yo, sis. Nawala. Ang haba ng message niya. Ayan. So, we are now 44, 45. 15 minutes. Nawala siya. Hindi ko siya kinakausap ang kulit. Sabi ba naman niya, I call her already. Kitinawagan ka na daw niya kanina na pumunta dito live nga ako. Sabi ko, okay, thank you. Kala ko naman tinawagan ka talaga. Sabi ko, why is this that Miss Rosie is not here? Sabi niya, sis, very ka daw, na very busy ka at na tired na needs rest ka daw, nagre-rest. Hindi ko siya pinapansin. Ba naman ikaw ang i-message ng hanggang ikapitong bundo. Grabe mag-message, hindi siya napapagod, no? Hindi siya napapagod magsulat. Kahaba. Yan. Patawa talaga si Mr. Dong. Walang kapagod-pagod. Nandyan lang yan, natambay, kilala ko yun. Kaya nga, baka nakatambay. Marunong naman siya mag-Tagalog, naintindihan ka nun. Nakapagsulat nga kanina ng Tagalog, ang haba-haba, nabasa mo dyan. Mag-backread ka. Tawa ako ng tawa. Siguro tinatranslate na sa Google. Tulog na yung alaga mo, sis? Ay, ano na ba dyan? Gabi na ba dyan sa inyo? Cute yung alaga mong bata, Ang ganda ng ilong. Ang tangos-tangos ng ilong. Kaya nga, nag-iingat ako sa mga sinasabi ko. Kaya nga, tinatranslate niya nag-google siya. Bago lang natulog. Okay. Buti naman. Pahinga ka na. Makapagpahinga ka na. Tanatulog ng alaga mo. Ilan sila? Ilan yung sis? Magkapatid? 2 or 3 sila? Marami ba? Tatlong bata. Okay. Pero malalaki na eh. Hindi naman na masyado na alagain. Mahirap pag may baby. Wala, yung 15 minutes pa mag-start din si Manay Cecilia Mimaitan magla-live daw. Mapuntahan. Lilipat ako sa desktop. Okay naman sila na mababait naman. Okay. Wala pati kayong day off, no? Lagi kayong sa bahay lang. Whenever. Napunta din ako sa kanya minsan. Kanino? Ay, kay Manay Cecilia Mimay? Oo, ano na siya, monetize na siya si Insan. Sana tayo naman ang aray ko. Hulog ang unan. Ay, naglinis ako ng ano ko. Makati ang pa ako. Na-monetize na siya pero ang laki ng banana niya nung na-monetize siya. Ang banana niya nasa 3,000. Oo, 3,000. Ang banana niya. Sana tayo din na mamuni na tayo. Busog ako. Kinain ko tinapay. Kumain ako ng siomay kanina. Nagkain ako ng siomay kanina, 3 piraso. Bago ako umuwi. Hello everyone! Miss Rosan Adams, hello to you, Sisi. Ayan guys, ayan Miss Roslyn Olero, kung hindi mo pa kayakap si Miss Rosan Adams. Kumusta Sisi? Monetize na ba tayo? Miss Rosan Adams. Na-monetize na ba si Sisi? Hello to you, Miss Rosan Adams. Hello, big shout out to you, Miss Rosan Adams. Okay. Ay, hindi pa. 7, ano pa lang si Miss Rosan Adams? 700 plus. Okay, so grade 7. Hello. Hello to you, Miss Rosan Adams. Ayan. Those who are not yet connected to Miss Rosan Adams, kindly be connected, guys. Ayan, Kuya Bem, si Miss Rosan Adams. Yakapin mo na si ating kabayan na si Rosan Adams. Okay. Rosan Adams. Maraming salamat. Malayo pa sa katotohanan pa, host. Kaya pare-parehas tayo pero keep going lang tayo, guys. Kami WH na lang. Yan. Pero nangingisda pa rin. Kaya kailangan natin ang banana, di ba? So, mangisda. Ayan. Darating tayo dyan. Mga ilang kimbot, mamonetize na din tayo. Ayan. So, malapit-lapit na yan. Naka 700 ka na. 300 na lang. Mo din yan. Mari-reach mo din yung 1,000 banana. Mas madali ang banana kaysa sa WH. Madugo ang WH. Ayan guys. So we have 7 minutes pa tayo guys. Ayan. So, magla-live stream si Manay Cecilia Mimaitan. Puntahan din natin si Insan para makasupport tayo, guys. Doon tayo mangisda, Miss Rosan Adams. Kung hindi mo pa kadikit si Manay Cecilia Mimaitan, dikitan mo na yan. Monetize ang channel niya. Ayan. Pakatapos natin pumunta tayo sa kanya, mangisda tayo sa kanya. Ayan. Para madagdagan ang ating mga banana. Banana. Okay. Ilang gabi pang puyatan. Kaya nga 'di ba ako nung naka 1,000 ako, parang sabi ko, antok ako, tulog ako ng tulog ngayon. Nangisda na si Dom sa iba, Ay talaga? Kanino? Kanino siya pumunta? Nangisda na si do'n sa iba, talaga nangisda na. Okey lang 'yun para makadami siya ng isda kasi sabi niya, unti pa lang daw yung isda niya, ayan. So, Miss Rosen Adams, ayan, Miss Rosen Herrero also in the house. So, be connected to each other guys para magkasuportahan tayo. Nasa ibang bansa din si si Miss Rosen Adams. US yata si Miss Rosen Adams. Australia? Nasa Australia ka, Miss Rosen Adams? Or Canada, Germany? Hindi natin. Basta nasa ibang bansa yan. Tapos si, yes, Australia. I think Sydney. Okay, si Miss Rosen Holero is Riyadh. Okay, Mr. Dom Lucky is Germany. Mr. Australia si Miss Rosen Adams. Ayan. Okay, so ako WH ko talaga ang kailangan natin. Parehas kami ni si Roslyn. Kailangan ng WH. Ang dami ko kasi dinikitan dati tapos press ko ang bell. Kaya ayan, natuto na. Kaya nga, di ba? So, dadami din ng bigla yun. Then ako kay Roslyn Holdero, AUM H channel. Ayan, Miss Roslyn. Dan na din sa'yo si Miss Roslyn. Ay si Kuya Bim. Ayan, AUM4 channel. Ayan. Dan na ako kay Roslyn Holero. Okay, thank you so much. So, may apat pa tayo sa bahay. Ayan din, si Miss Rosen Adam is all the way from Australia. Mr. AUM4 channel. Ayan, isdain mo na yan si Miss Rosen Adams. Nasa grade 7 na yan. Si Miss Rosen Adams. Ayan guys, so magdikitan kayo guys. We have 4 minutes pa. 4 minutes more to go. Ayan. Then, tuloy tayo sa pangingisda. Magkita-kita tayo kay Manay Cecilia Mimaytan. Puntahan natin siya. Maraming salamat. So, 8 million love of Tamsak. Thank you. Maraming thank you sa 8 milyon. 8 milyong pagmamahal na Tamsak. Maraming salamat guys. Ayan. So, may 3 minutes pa tayo. Mag-isdaan kayo. Saglit lang na. Buksan ko na yung desktop para dun ako live. Ayan. AUM4 channel done from Miss Roslyn Holero. Ayan. So, thank you, Miss Rosan Adams. Maraming salamat. Ayan. So, guys, lipat tayo kay kay Manay Mimay Tan. Cecilia Mimay Tan, guys. Suportahan din natin ngayon. Magla-live siya ngayon ng 9 of. So, I have 1 minute, ilang seconds? 20? 15 seconds na lang, guys. Ayan. So, kita-kita ulit tayo bukas. Ayan. Makatapos ko ng lakad ko bukas. Gawin ko lang ng maaga siguro para makapag 1 p.m. ako. Okay, punta ako. Done. Doon. Okay, sige, si Roslyn. Ayan, so we are now done to our 2 hours live streaming for tonight. I'll see you again tomorrow, guys. Maraming salamat, Miss Rosan Adams. Go tayo kay Manay Cecilia Mimaytan. Also, AUM4 channel. Puntahan po natin si Manay Cecilia Mimaytan. Ayan. So, I'll see you again tomorrow, guys. Good night and have a night's sleep to everyone. Okay? So, mangisda tayo dun, guys. Okay? See you again tomorrow. I'll say goodbye for now. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much, Miss Rosan Ada. Miss Rosin, kita-kits tayo kay Manay Cecilia Mimaytan. Thank you. Bye-bye.